Good morning, friends. We're going to have calendar today, and today's a special day. It's Earth Day. So I figured we would look at this first. This says, every day is Earth Day. And this word says Earth. That's where we live. We live on Earth.
Day.
And then this word says day.
Day.
Let's see what's next. It says, let's clean up our planet.
Paper.
Okay.
Pen. Plastic.
So if you look around outside here in this picture, it's pretty messy. So we have to clean it up. Paper goes in here, cans go in here, and plastic goes in here. This is a can. It goes in the can bucket. This is a piece of paper. It goes in the paper bucket. And if you have milk or juice or things like that, it comes in a plastic jug. It looks like this. It goes in the plastic. Paper goes here. Cans. Cans. Oh, look. When we clean up, the animals are coming out. Plastic. Paper. What's this one? This is a plastic bottle. What's this one? A can, that's right. It's a can. Paper. He's hiding. The paper's hiding. There we go. What's this? A can. Plastic. And this is paper. That's sorting all of the different trash we recycled. It says thank you. And it says, we can make Earth a better place. So it looks like this boy and this girl, they're outside like I like to do, maybe like you like to do. They're going to plant a tree, it looks like. And what's this? It's a watering can, so they can water the tree after they plant it. And doesn't it look nice outside? So on Earth Day, we talk about cleaning up the earth and taking care of it. So it's a very important day, and that's today. Awesome job. So let's start our calendar. Let's do our rule song. Ready? Eyes on teacher, eyes on teacher, listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, you should have calm hands, and a calm body, and a calm body. And just to let you guys know, on Starfall, I clicked on this picture of the earth. That's where I got that game if you want to try again, to sort your own recycling and clean up, okay? That's where that is. But now we're going to go whoop to the calendar. Here we go.
Yippee! It's April 2020.
What do we do first, friends?
Let's make a calendar.
First, you tell me, we do the days of the what? Week. That's right, we do the days of the week. Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Let's listen. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Nice. Can you tell me what's the day of the week? It's Wednesday. Great work. Wednesday's right in the middle here. Let's click on that. Wednesday. All right. Now let's do the months of the year. How many months are in a year? How many? Do you remember? 12. There are 12 months in the year. So when Miss Amanda holds up the months chart, there are 12 of these months, okay? We always start with January, okay? Ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Then we turn around. You guys know what the month is now. What's the month? April. That's right. The month is April. A P R I L spells April. Nice job, you guys. All right, days of the week are all done. The months are all done. Let's do our counting, right? Let's do counting on the calendar. All right, when we count, we start with number 1. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20. Let's listen.
20 seconds.
It's 22nd or 22. It looks like this. And see here, it says Earth Day down here. You can't see because of the star, but that's a planet. That's our Earth, right? So 22 looks, I did the dots here. I'm going to follow the dots. 22 makes 2 and a 2. Oops. 2 and a 2. It's hard sometimes to do it on the board like this. There we go. That looks better, right? 22. Looks like this. There are 2 2s in 22. 2 10s and 2 1s. All right. Nice job, friends. Tomorrow will be the 23rd if we look ahead. And yesterday was the 21st. We talked about the 21st yesterday, but today is the 22nd. All right, great job. Now, let's do the weather. Are you ready? Ready? Weather watcher, what do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like. Won't you please? Won't you please? Okay. If I look out my window in Northbridge, where Miss Amanda is, right? You're in Milford. I'm in Northbridge. All right. I see the weather is sunny. And I think it's going to stay sunny all day today. That's great news. Tell me what the weather is in Milford. Your turn. The weather is awesome. I hope it's sunny in Milford. I bet it is. Great job, you guys. Are you ready to do the whole date? That was fun. So we did our clean up the earth activity, right? And now we're going to do the whole date because calendar is all done. Today is Wednesday. What is the month? The month is April. Good job. And the number is 22 or the 22nd. Good. And what's the weather? The weather is sunny. Awesome job, you guys. All right, I'll see you later today. I'll do a different video today. I also put up a video of me reading Curious George, so you can look at that, okay? I'll talk to you later. Bye.